Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got home from Woolworths where I did a healthy grocery shop, so I thought I would come home and just show you what I bought. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Mel. I make weekly videos and I do a lot of home organisation, decluttering, cleaning and mummy tips. So I'd love to have you hit that red subscribe button below and join my YouTube family. So in 2018, I want to prioritise my health, and I'm a member of the 28 by Sam Wood program, and I've done a little bit of meal planning today before I went out to the supermarket and just had a look at some of the meals on the 28 meal plan for the week and made up my shopping list, and I'll take you through it. Alright, so first off I got 3 litres of full cream milk, the Dairy Farmers brand, and these I love. These I've been really enjoying lately. These are the Sally Overmeter Super Green Smoothie Packs. You just add coconut water to them and blend them up, and even the cup has like a marked measuring thing, so you don't even need to get a separate measuring cup to measure your coconut water. It's all built into the pack. These were on special, 2 for $5, so I got 2 each of my favourite flavours. This one is Slim Bikini Babe. It's got broccoli, pineapple, mango, kiwi fruit, spinach and mint. And the Will Bean Get Minted has pineapple, apple, broccoli, spinach, lemon and mint. So 2 each of those. And I got some mainland New Zealand butter, some Greek yogurt. I really like the Jana brand. I got some diced tomatoes. These are going to go in a Sicilian tuna pasta dish that's on the 28 meal plan this week. I also bought some olives which will also go into the pasta. These are the pitted Kalamata olives. Coconut water for my smoothies, and also my son really loves coconut water. I got tuna for the pasta, and also we snack on it and eat it in salads, that kind of thing. I got some beef mince, 500 grams of that. This is the premium one because I don't like a lot of fat in my beef mince, and that is for the healthy cottage pie. That is also, well, I don't think it's on the meal plan this week actually, but because it's been a little bit cooler the last couple of days, I thought I would make the cottage pie tonight, and it's the first time I've tried it. I'm really excited. So apparently it's really yummy. The zucchinis, some apples. I usually buy Pink Lady apples, but they didn't have any today, so I had to get the Sundowner ones, which is fine. I just like the Pink Lady ones a bit better. Some bananas, and you can see here I'm trying not to use as much plastic. These are the reusable fruit and veg, like produce bags that I got. I got these in a pack from Spotlight. I got the tamari soy sauce. This is gluten free, and it's also a lot less salty than traditional soy sauce. I got some pure maple syrup. That's just the Woolworths brand. Fish fingers for the kids. These ones are the Bird's Eye ones, and they're made from hoki. Absolutely love hoki. Growing up in New Zealand, you eat a lot of hoki fish. Gluten-free pasta spirals for the pasta dish. Tomato paste for the pasta dish. Some brown rice cups because I sometimes eat that for lunch or do like a quick fried rice for the kids. I got some smooth wholemeal for the kids. I also bought, I don't know if you can see that very clearly, 2 carrots for, I think that might be for the nutrition bomb dish that is also on the 28 menu. It's called Snez's Nutrition Bomb, so I think Snez made up that recipe, Sam's partner. And celery sticks, an avocado, lemons and limes for drinks, mangoes, my kids absolutely love mangoes, bay leaves. I also bought some potatoes. This is the smallest bag I could buy, pre-packaged. It was 1.5 kilos. These are the Spud Light brand. Apparently they're supposed to have 25% less carbs, as it says on the bag. I don't know, I haven't purchased potatoes in ages. The 28 cottage pie recipe uses potatoes, a red capsicum, and then I just bought some random non-food items. So I bought a Sard Wonder Stick for stain removal, and I've never used it. I've only ever used the spray, and I've heard that the Wonder Stick is really good for getting out really stubborn stains, so I thought I'd give that a go. So now 2 kids, they get very messy. A toothbrush for my daughter, a couple of items of stationery, just 2 plastic document wallets, and some Cetaphil baby wash and shampoo. And yeah, that is it. And in case you're wondering how much that came to, it came to $141.25, which is not too bad, but I didn't buy things like toilet paper and cleaning stuff. I usually buy that stuff at Aldi, and I actually did buy a whole lot of non-perishable stuff and like, you know, paper goods and stuff at Aldi earlier in the week. So I just wanted to go to Woolworths and get all like my fresh fruit and veg and some of the branded products that I like to buy. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and of course subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!